Hi everyone! Today, we'll simplify this expression 2 raised to the third power times 2 raised to the fourth power. Notice that both have the same base, that's the number 2. When we multiply numbers with the same base, we add their exponents. So we have 2 raised to 3 plus 4. So we add their exponents. We copy the same base and add their exponent. Now we have 2 raised to 3 plus 4 equals 2 raised to 7. And finally, 2 raised to 7 is equal to, we multiply 2 7 times, therefore we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 128. So easy, right? Don't forget same base, add the exponents. So 2 raised to the third power times 2 raised to the fourth power is equal to 128. Again, remember, same base, add the exponent. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.